Hi everyone. Currently what you are seeing on my screen is a OpenClaw setup. I have installed this OpenClaw on my low-end laptop in free of cost. So I'm running this OpenClaw here and I'm using this free AI API services. I have consumed more than 50 million token in my OpenClaw and you will notice I have spent here $0. I'll be showing you OpenClaw setup in your laptop with this free API services. All right, let's get started with the OpenClaw setup. You need to come here at openclaw.ai. Link for this website is given in the video description. Then on the home page, you have here a quick start. Then you need to select your operating system. Currently, I'm installing it on Windows, so I select this one. Thereafter, copy this command. Then it is going to install everything for you. It doesn't matter whether you have Node.js in your PC or not, in your laptop or not, it is going to install it for you. Then come here and search for terminal. Thereafter, make sure you open this terminal in administrator mode. After that, you need to just paste your command, then it is going to do everything for you. Then I just simply paste the command which I had copied. That's all I have to do here. Now everything is gonna take over by OpenClaw itself. For example, it has detected Windows machine. It has also detected here Node.js. But suppose that in your case, if you don't have Node.js, then it is just gonna install that. After installation, it is gonna ask here about the permission. I say yes, I do understand all the risk by installing the OpenClaw. Thereafter, I need to select here setup mode. So I'm gonna select here quick start mode. Thereafter, I need to select my model here. Select more. Thereafter, we are gonna select here OpenRouter. We need to find out first OpenRouter. Scroll it down. Then you are gonna get here OpenRouter. Select this one. Thereafter, we need to bring OpenRouter API key. So you need to come here at openrouter.ai. Thereafter, you are going to get all free models here. Click on models here. Thereafter, in search model, you need to type here free. Then you are going to get here so many free models. I'm going to select this one. This is the poolside laguna m.1 free model. It is completely free of cost to use. So this is the model which I'll be using. But before that, you have to go in preferences. Thereafter, click on API key and then you need to create here API key. So I'm going to create one API key. Let's say the OpenClaw. Then expiry by default, I'm going to set here 1 hour and let's create this API key. So once you get this API key, then come back here and not there. In fact, here it is. So you need to paste your OpenRouter API key. I have pasted OpenRouter API key. Thereafter, it is going to ask about the model. By default, it has here OpenRouter auto default model, but I want to enter here manually. Select enter model manually. Thereafter, delete this auto. Then we need to select our model. As I told you earlier, we are going to select here poolside laguna m.1. It is completely free of cost model. Its token speed is also quite high. You can check here throughput speed. So throughput speed is like 20 token per second around. Latency is also quite low, around 3 seconds or so. That means it is fairly very, it is fairly very good model. Thereafter, you need to come here and then give your model name. Make sure you have here OpenRouter / poolside laguna m.1 free. That's all you have to do. Just enter. Thereafter, here you have all the channels. So currently we are going to skip the channel part because I have covered all the channel installation and setting up of the channel in different video. So you need to come here at my channel KGP Talkie. On this channel, you are going to have here so many OpenClaw video, like you have a self-improving agent setup, you have OpenClaw MCP and cron job setup, memory setup, WhatsApp channel setup, you have a Discord setup, you have sub agent setup with the MCP setup. There's so much, so much. So link for this playlist is given in the video description. Free OpenClaw tutorial. You can get started with all these videos. All right, let's come back here for the setup process. So you come back here. Thereafter, you need to scroll it here at the down. Then we are gonna just skip for now. Thereafter it is going to skip everything. Then again it asks about the web search. Again, I'm going to tell you all these I have covered in my playlist. You can see from there how you can set up these web search as well. For example, you can set up the free Olama web search, you can set up the free Tavily web search, and so on. For time being, we are going to skip this as well. Thereafter we are going to say no, we don't want to set up the skill process as of now. And all of these we can select with spacebar, select particular select here a particular hook. Thereafter press a space bar, that will get selected automatically because we want memory and other stuff. So we select here, thereafter hit enter. Once you hit enter, then it is going to finalize the overall process. So everything is going to be, you know, everything is going to be installed here, whatever we selected. Thereafter it is going to start our OpenClaw. OpenClaw is successfully installed, its gateway has restarted. Thereafter it is going to ask us how we want to start the OpenClaw. We want to start our OpenClaw in the browser. If you want, you can do with the terminal as well. Let's start in the browser. Thereafter it is going to open on the local port, and we have here our OpenClaw. It is running successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully installed OpenClaw on your local computer with the free AI API services. Thereafter, you can just simply chat from here. I can just simply write hi, then my OpenClaw agent is gonna listen me and then it is gonna reply me. In meantime, let me just give you overview of this dashboard. So this is where you can find out all the recent sessions. Then here you can find out all the controls, like you have overview, if there is any activity being done, workspace instances. All these I have covered in my detailed playlist. You can get those here. But as of now, the basic setup is done here. Let me just quickly explain you here. Workspace files like agent.md tells about the agent. Currently there is no setup about this, but in coming futures I'll be showing you how you can set up your OpenClaw with particular personality as well. In soul.md, OpenClaw is gonna have its overall soul. That means we are gonna give here personality to our OpenClaw in soul.md. If there are any tools, usage we want to tell our OpenClaw, then that can be told inside the tools.md. And in identity.md, we can give our OpenClaw agent a particular name, a kind of creature, vibe, emoji, etc. Basically, we can personalize here from here. We can give some identity to our agent. And with the user.md, it is gonna store all information about myself, basically the user who is using this OpenClaw. In heartbeat.md, it is gonna use this file for a periodic check. Let's say if there is some periodic task, then it is gonna use this heartbeat.md file. Bootstrap.md file is gonna used every time when OpenClaw restarts. Basically, whatever information you want to give to OpenClaw at the restart, you can store those information inside the bootstrap.md file. And whatever the memory is being stored in the OpenClaw, that will be stored inside the memory.md. That file is not created yet, but as we start chatting with the OpenClaw, it will create that memory.md file. Let me just quickly ask here some latest information. Tell me latest stock market news. Then it is gonna browse the internet and tell me the latest stock market news. If you have find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. As I told you earlier, there are so many free videos available on this playlist, free OpenClaw tutorials. You can do a lot of things with the OpenClaw, everything you can learn here. You can get started with the zero, but you will end this playlist with the mastery in the OpenClaw. All right, guys, bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in the next lesson.